The pineal gland is a small organ shaped like a pine cone. It is located on the midline attached to the posterior end of the roof of the third ventricle in the brain. This image below shows the pineal gland of a horse in relation to the brain. The pineal gland has structurally simple hormone that communicates information about environmental lighting to various parts of the body, ultimately making melatonin that has the ability to entertain biological rhythms and has important effects on the reproductive function of many animals. The light transducting ability of the pineal gland has led some to call the pineal the third eye. It is the center for the production of the hormone melatonin. Melatonin is implicated in a wide range of human activities. It regulates daily body rhythms, most noticeably at night or during the day cycle. Melatonin is released in the dark during sleep, which can affect it. Melatonin is not a major culprit of normal sleep patterns, but definitely has some effect. There is some indication that melatonin levels are lower in elderly insomniacs, and melatonin therapy in such cases appears modestly after beneficial in correcting a problem. In various species, including humans, also the administration of too much melatonin being produced in your body has been shown to decrease motor activity, induce fatigue, and lower body temperature, particularly at high dosages. The effect on body temperature may play with a significant role in melatonin's ability to entrain sleep-awake cycles. Also with patients with jet lag, the pineal gland has implicated in a number of disorders including cancer, sexual dysfunction, hypertension, and epilepsy. The pineal gland classifies with age and melatonin production correspondingly decreases. The decline in melatonin has been suggested to be a trigger for an aging process. True pineal cell tumors are the pineocytoma, which is slow-growing, the pineoblastoma, which is more aggressive, and the mixed pineal tumor, which contains a combination of all cell types. Symptoms are most often caused by blockage of the cerebrospinal fluid flow and problems with eye movement pathways, which also cause headache, nausea, and vomiting, and double vision are also common. Like many tumor types, the exact cause of the pineal cell tumors is not known. However, scientists have identified chromosomal abnormalities which may play a role in the development of these tumors. Standard treatments for these kinds of tumors is radiation therapy. Radiation of the entire brain and spinal cord is recommended in patients with pineoblastoma. Chemotherapy may also be considered, particularly if the tumor has spread or if it regrows. Surgery may be possible in some individuals to determine the tumor type and remove part of the tumor. In some cases, placement of the shunt, similar to a drain, is used to relieve pressure caused by buildup of cerebrospinal fluid. Melatonin has been shown to inhibit the growth and metastasis of some tumors in experimental animals and may therefore play a role in cancer inhibition. Removal of the pineal gland and/or reduction in melatonin output has been implicated in the increased incidence of breast cancer in laboratory animals. Patients who have breast cancer have lower levels of melatonin in the blood. The hormone has also been shown to be protective against genetic damage, and it has stimulatory effect on the immune system. Melatonin has important effects in integrating periods and affecting circadian rhythms. It has been reported to have significant effects on the reproduction, sleep-wake cycles, and other phenomena showing circadian rhythm. The recent melatonin craze sweeping through the health-conscious community makes claims that the hormone shows the aging process. Some studies show that using it reduces how much jet lag people report on both eastward and westward flights. Also, too much melatonin can make jet lag worse or better. Other names for the pineal gland is the pineal body, epiphysis cerebri, and epiphysis.